Good day, sir. This is about activity for system administration and maintenance. So Ubuntu server introduction, configuration, installation, and demonstration. Introduction: different types of services: database services, MySQL, web services, Apache Z, and file services, Samba. So data services, MySQL. MySQL is a highly popular open source relational database management system known for its reliability, scalability, and ease of use. As a database service, it offers features such as SQL compatibility, scalability for varying data sizes, robust security measures, replication for high availability, and support for multiple storage engines. Its active community, strong performance, and seamless integration with various tools and platforms make MySQL a favored choice for diverse applications, from powering websites to supporting data-intensive systems in various industries. So web server Apache 2. Apache HTTP server Apache 2 is a widely used open source web server known for its stability, security, and flexibility. It powers numerous websites globally, offering modularity, scalability, security features, and extensive community support. Its adaptability across different platforms and its robust performance make it a cornerstone in web hosting and a popular choice for serving web content efficiently. So file services, Samba is an open source software suite facilitating seamless file and printer sharing between Linux, and Windows systems. It enables interoperability by implementing SMB/CIFS protocols, supporting authentication, authorization, and providing print services. Its flexibility, configuration options, and community support make it invaluable for integrating diverse operating systems within network environments. Next is for the installation. Database services, MySQL. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install MySQL server. Sudo MySQL secure installation. So dito, ito yung mga database services na pwede nating i-command sa MySQL. And for web server naman, ito naman yung update, install Apache 2, systemctl, start Apache 2, enable status restart, ayan. And for file services, ito naman yung mga commands, sudo apt update, upgrade, install Samba, so ayan. Configuration. So ito yung configurations for database services, which is yung MySQL. So ayan. As we can see, pwede natin itong gamitin para magkaroon tayo ng configuration sa ating database. So dito naman, ito naman yung configurations for web server Apache 2. So yan, yung example is IP address show, curl up HTTP, IP address show, then ping. Okay, and for file services naman, Samba. Ito naman yung mga commands for, ayan, file services. Example is sudo smb password a usernames. Okay. And for demonstration database services, so ayan, yung host niya is ping 127.0.1.1. So sa client naman 10.0.2.15. So for web server naman, ito yung ping nyo lang to, and then for client, ito naman. And for file services, ito yung host, and ayan yung para sa client. That's all po. Thank you.